In a matter of moments, they will open their main parachute. And there you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. They can hear you from this altitude, so ladies and gentlemen, please give them a warm round of applause and welcome to Randolph Air Force Base. The parachutes used by the Golden Knights are flexible wing gliders, constructed of lightweight ripstop nylon. These parachutes have an inherent forward airspeed of 22 miles per hour. To turn left, the jumper pulls down on the left steering line. To turn right, the jumper simply pulls down on the right steering line. As the jumpers near the ground, they will pull down on both steering lines simultaneously for the safest and softest possible landing. As you can see, the top jumper is flying in the great state of Texas flag. Watch some minor corrections used as the jumpers near the ground. It takes a great deal of concentration to land dead center on the orange X. The jumper focuses on a windsock located in the center of the orange X. As he nears the ground, he will then shift all of his concentration to a small flat black dot located dead center. Please welcome in the first of your Golden Knights for a beautiful target area landing. The United States Army parachute team is comprised of mostly non-commissioned officers. The 89 men and women of the Golden Knights come from